welcome back to my channel. Today is another doodle tutorial in which I am going to show you how to make nature doodles. We are surrounded with nature but still we don't give the value we need to. Whenever we go out we will feel so refreshed after being in nature. So I decided to draw this really beautiful element that has been given to us, and again I'm doing 30 doodles. I had a lot of fun again making this video and finding so many natural things. So without any further delay, let's get started. Just grab a paper, grab a pen and get doodling. So our first doodle is going to be the flower. Whenever I think of nature, I get reminded by flowers. So I drew that. Then I drew some water droplets. Next we have the tree, which is really simple. Butterfly. Then I drew a stack of stones. Yes. And then I drew the bush. It looked like a cloud, so I added some detail. Then I have the bird. Actually, all of the animals, there are so many animals, they are also a part of nature. But the problem is there are so many. I want to draw everything. So that's a future theme. Then I drew a mushroom. I also drew clouds, river. Now I'm drawing waves. I actually didn't have any idea that I'm going to draw this. It just flashed in my mind that I can draw a wave too. So I made the wave however I imagined. So it turned out pretty good. Then I'm drawing the sun, our planet Earth, and even Saturn. Somehow, for some reason, I love to draw Saturn. I don't know why. Then I drew the volcano just bursting out. Then I have the mountains that we used to draw as kids, so I decided to draw them again. Then we have the apple, we have sand. I also drew a seed which is so small you can't even see, but I drew that. Then I have the carrot, which is just vegetables. Then I drew a lightning bolt. Then I am drawing the palm tree. The problem is I messed up one line, so it turned out like this, but I like it. Then I actually ran out of space, but I somehow found it and I drew the cactus lastly. Then I'm just drawing a few moons and stars here and there, and we are done. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and we doodled in nature. We are just again surrounded with these beautiful things and we just don't give the value we need to. So we will understand the value, I think, by drawing them. So I had a lot of fun drawing this. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I'll meet you in my next one. Till then, take care and bye bye.